Alright, g'day, how you going? Mark Barrett here. First up, on behalf of myself and my partner James Fawcett, would like to say a massive thank you for dropping by and your attention today. Look, we truly appreciate it. Truthfully, I'm pretty bloody excited and pumped to show you what we've got going on here. I'm sure you've got a ton of emails and you're busy, so look, let's just cut to the chase and dive straight into what Rebillz is about today, okay? So, a quick little story behind it, guys. I've been in the business for a very long time, okay? I've been a marketer for probably at least 10 years now. I'm only 32, so I've been doing it the majority of my adult working life, but I worked quite hard before that in a lot of labour and jobs and whatnot, okay? Now, about 3 years ago, I was flying high in the business. I was probably profiting about $1 million a year, okay? You know, being in my 20s, I was spending money left and right on dumb shit, you know, everything you could think of. I had sports cars, you know, we invested in brick and mortar companies that didn't really make us much money, you know. We did a lot of crazy stuff that we didn't really respect the money that we were making being so young, okay, although people around me always told me stop spending, but whatever, okay. So long story short, after a series of bad investments and whatnot, I ended up pretty much losing everything and ending up back in a day job, okay? So it was pretty tough on my family, all right? So both financially and emotionally, obviously, one of the true powers of this business for me is the time freedom that comes with it. Obviously, I have 3 young children. Number 4 is on the way. And the time freedom is what we really enjoy, but obviously the money too, guys. You know, when you're making over 6 figures a month, like when a bill comes in, say to the missus, just deal with it, pay it, you know. Whatever we wanted to do, travel, you know, we live in the high life like pretty much everyone speaks about and everyone dreams of, okay? Losing it was really tough, okay? It really sucked, and it, like I said, it put me back in a day job. I almost ended up bankrupt. I ended up back to work because I needed to make an income, okay? Now, that truly sucked, not for the fact of working. Working taught me a few things, but having the freedom taken away from me, and, you know, the commute back into all that stuff that you yourself probably hate, the commute to work and whatnot, really sucked. But one thing it did teach me, it gave me a respect of money again, but it also made me really love the fact of a nice secure paycheck coming in each and every week for us in Australia, but month for you guys, depending where you are, okay? The nice secure paycheck really changed my mind and led me on a path of building a business that was a little bit different, okay? So, long story short, after pretty much licking my wounds and sulking in the job for about 3 months, okay, I'd had enough of it and I decided to get my head right and build a business, but I wanted the business to replicate what my paycheck, the security that my paycheck gives me each and every month, and that, you know, that weight that is lifted off your shoulders when you know that money's coming in, okay? And obviously if you get a little bit higher than your paycheck, and it just makes everything financially a hell of a lot easier. But most importantly, it had to be secure and stable and happen no matter what, okay? Look, even today I run a business where we do a lot of one-time sales, and before Rebillz we start every month from zero, okay? And there's always that constant pressure to be producing, all right? Now, when you have a constant flow of Rebillz, for example, and recurring commissions as an affiliate, what it allows you is true financial freedom, because you can do the work once, say you do it for today, tomorrow, over the next couple of days, and that money will keep coming in for months and years to come, okay? And you can take time off, do whatever you want, and know that money's still going to come in. Now, to me, that is true financial freedom, and that's exactly why I built this course, okay? Now, how the product came about, I've been doing this for quite some time. Now, obviously, my partner James, not so long ago, was, you know, he built himself up from scratch doing other affiliate marketing, okay? But same deal, okay? He was making about $40,000 or $50,000 a month in his day job as well, and was scared to take the leap because, you know, the security that comes with that day job income is hard to let go of, right? So I said, mate, look, I've been doing something for years that I think you'd really enjoy. Let me put it together in a product for you, and I'll show you, you know, how to go about it. You can give it a test and see what you think. So James put it to work, you know, worked a couple of days, and these are the results he was able to achieve.
Yeah, g'day guys. Just going through the Rebillz method that Mark showed me. I'm just going to show you some Rebillz that I've been able to achieve using this method. So this is recurring income. So the customers are charged monthly for a $47 a month membership to a certain product that has a really good stick rate. Now, as you can see here, I started promoting this a couple of weeks ago, and where people are getting into a Rebillz. So they pay $9 for a 14-day trial, and then after that 14-day trial period's over, they start getting, they'll start paying $47 a month to maintain their membership. So as you can see here, back on the 17th, I'm starting to get some Rebillz here. So there's four there, so that's around about nearly $100 there, and then it's going to keep going. You're going to have, and then you got some more here. So obviously, here, this is all pretty recent, so if you want to zoom in there, on the 6th here, I've got a bunch here, so obviously around on the 20th, I'm going to get some Rebillz, and as you can see here, they're starting to flow through pretty consistently, and this is just promoting it for a few days, and I gave it another good run back on the 18th, and then so in 2 weeks time, I'm going to start generating more Rebillz, and consistently as well. So it really does work well, and I'm pretty thankful Mark was able to show me this method. And then what you're going to do is that you want to look over the active sub count. So I've got subscriptions over here, guys, just in my ClickBank account, and then as you can see here right now, on one product here, I've got 25 there, and then I've got another one, I've got 9 here, right? So, and then on another one here, I've got 4. So I've got nearly like 40 people sitting in subscriptions right now. So that's recurring income almost daily, pretty much per day, every day that I'm going to get a commission out of these customers. So this really does work, and this is just promoting it just for literally about 5 days, and I was able to generate this sort of traction. So the Rebillz product really does work, and it really does work quite quickly. So if you got, definitely worthwhile jumping on. Cheers.
All right, thank you, James. Now, guys, as you can see, right, I've been creating products for a long time. So first and foremost, I understand how to create them to help people. But truthfully, a product is only as good as the results it gets for other people, right? Look, I'm a successful marketer. I can sit here and say, yeah, I make blah, 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 $1,000 per day doing this, doing that. But when you see live proof from people like that have tried something from scratch, from a standing start, and in just a few short days, able to add thousands of dollars per month in recurring income that keeps coming month after month, James has just replaced his day job income. I mean, needless to say, he's a smitten kitten with what's going on there. And like I said, that's what Rebillz is all about. It's about having that security of a paycheck, but for me personally, being able to leave. So I have the freedom of being at home and doing what I like, but I have the security of a constant paycheck as well. And that's Rebillz in a nutshell, guys. That's exactly why I created it for you. Okay, so on the inside, guys, you're going to see it's a very simple system, right? It's step-by-step affiliate marketing system. Do this, do this, do that, and that's all there is to it. And that's all there needs to be to it. A really successful online system doesn't need a lot of moving parts to it, okay? It just needs a simple system combined with the power of the internet, which is like having a shop open to billions of people around the world 24/7 that are interested in basically what you have to offer them as an affiliate. Then it starts working like clockwork. Their commissions start rolling in, their recurring starts rolling in, and before you know it, hey presto, you're replacing your day job income. Okay, so many of you, look, Rebillz is simple enough that you can set it up for just an easy $1,000 a month if that's all you want. You know, many of you aren't looking to leave your job, that's fine, and you're just looking for $1,000 a month, or you know, $3,000 a month, double your salary. That's great. All right, now, but the beauty of it is it's powerful enough and scalable enough that you can raise it to $10, $20, $50, $100,000 a month, that it's infinitely scalable. The sky is the limit. So it's really up to you what you want to do with it, okay? Personally, I have about 7,000 or 8,000 a month rolling through, and you'll see inside of the product we've got live case studies that you'll see of our commissions, and basically then step by step, here's what we do, here's why we do it, here you do it, and away you go. Okay guys, it really is as simple as that. Right now, after what I've been through, you know, the highs and the lows nowadays, I feel I'm losing some grey hairs out of the beard, and I think it's because I've got the, you know, the weight of the world off my shoulders, because I know that there's money coming in every month. You know, I can take some time off and spend with the kids. You know, my young kids are very interested in playing cricket out the back there, or, you know, whatever it is kids want to do. We can take the weekends off without feeling guilty and knowing that there's going to be money coming in. Okay, that's the freedom that Rebillz brings us. And then obviously the financial side of things as well. You know, the wife says, oh, the power bill's due, or, you know, utilities for you Americans, or whatever, car registration's due. You just deal with it. Okay, pay it. It's done. It's out of the way. We don't have to worry about it. Now that to me is true freedom, and I really hope that everybody in the world gets to feel what that's like. And that's why I created Rebillz, because honestly, everybody deserves to have that weight lifted off their shoulders, especially after the bullshit crazy year we've had, you know, with COVID and whatnot. A lot of people doing it tougher than they've ever done it. And not far out from Christmas, you know, a lot of people deserve some extra money for Chrissy. A lot of hard-working people, you know. I want Rebillz to be exactly what helps you achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. Okay, your financial dreams, goals, you know, more time off, more holiday time, more money, whatever it is, Rebillz will be able to provide the security and the stability for you to achieve that. And it's stupid easy to do. Okay, it really is. If you've got enough skill to be sitting here watching this video right now, you have all the skills it takes to do this. Okay, look, I'm not the smartest man in the room. Okay, I can figure this out for myself without being taught. You saw what the results showed. You know, the exact training James got, you're getting handed right now. Okay, look guys, we've made this accessible to everybody. Okay, because you know, I believe in knowledge should be shared. There's enough cash out there for all of us to be had. So we price Rebillz at just $12.95, under $13. So it's available for anyone to get in and see the success that we see on a daily basis as well. All right, now naturally guys, we put our money where our mouth is where our products are concerned. Okay, so if you jump in and try Rebillz, put it into action, and for whatever reason we can't make it work, you know, we'll even try and jump in and help you. And if you can't make it work for whatever reason, we simply do not want your money. Okay, so we've got a full 30-day money back guarantee. So if you can't make a Rebillz work for you, we most certainly don't want your money. But at the end of the day, what I really want to see is success stories. Okay, naturally you can see we don't really need the money for selling products. What we're trying to do is help people succeed in their goals and experience that true freedom that comes from having more secure and stable cash. Okay, so guys, that's about all I have to say. Look, truthfully, Rebillz is built for people that have a hatred of their situation. I know there's a lot of people out there. Okay, a lot of people doing it tough, a lot of people working harder than they want to, a lot of people that have young'uns and, you know, other halves that need to see more of them. Okay, that's what life's about for me. I wish you the freedom and, you know, and sort of weight off your shoulders that I experience on a daily basis. That's why I created Rebillz. That's why I want you to hit the buy now button, jump in, watch what we're doing, put it into action, and I'm sure you'll see some pretty sweet results. So guys, massive thanks for watching. Jump in. We'll see you on the inside.